Dear students, good morning, namaste. This is online classes. We are in the chapter sequences and series. The previous first part, this is second part. In the first part, I taught you the definition of sequence and series, the difference between series and sequences, and examples and a general form of sequence or series, and one example also is given. Okay, now the exercise 9.1. 6 problems is there. First 1 to 6 problems, we have to find the first 5 terms of the sequence. See, solution. What is solution? First problem. The sequence is an is equal to n of n plus 2. You may feel that sequence is the set of numbers in a row or arrangement of set of numbers with one given condition. Yes, correct. Here also set of points are there. You see where n belongs to capital N. That is the meaning. For all this, n belongs to capital N. Then you say A1, that means n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, like that. When n is equal to 1, it is A1, 1 of 1 plus 2 is 3. So, okay, now, when n is equal to 2, A2 in this one. A2 is 2 of 2 plus 2. 4 2's 8. When n is equal to 3, it is 3 of 3 plus 2, 5, 15. When n is equal to 4, A4 is 4 of 4 plus 2. 2 is common. n is different. Okay, now it is 6 4's 24. When n is equal to 5, A5 is equal to 5 of 5 plus 2. 7 5 is 35. Okay, Nana? So, here the first 5 terms of the series. It is also series. With the hidden, the n value is going on from 1 to up to infinity. It is also not finite. It is an infinite series or sequences. Okay, Nana? We are substituting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is asked in the problem. So, these are the first 5 numbers or terms or elements of the first series. Now, we go to second problem. What is a given sequence or series? What is the given sequence? Is n is equal to n by n plus 1. So, if n is equal to 1, a1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. It is 1 by 2. This is a different one. The fixed, the definite rule is there. That rule must be in between the pair of every successive pair of the numbers, elements. When n is equal to 2, then A2 is equal to 2 by 2 plus 1, that is 2 by 3. When n is equal to 3, A3 is equal to 3 by 3 plus 1, that is 3 by 4. When n is equal to 4, A4 is equal to 4 by 4 plus 1, that is equal to 4 by 5. When n is equal to 5, A5 is equal to 5 by 5 plus 1, 5 by 6. Okay, then? So, these are the, you see, here also a fixed rule is there. That rule is n by n plus 1. Numerator n, denominator is n plus 1. Here also the n belongs to capital N. That is the thing. Okay, na? So here also we found first 5 numbers or 5 terms or 5 elements of the given series. Is it clear? Yeah. You see, next, we'll go to next one. That is third problem. Given sequence is n is equal to, it is 2 power n, not 2n, it is 2 power n. You see then, just it is if n is equal to 1, that implies a1 is equal to 2 power 1, 2. When n is equal to 2, it is a2, 2 square, 4. When n is equal to 3, a3, 2 cube is 8. When n is equal to 4, a4, 2 power 4 is 16. When n is equal to 5, a5 is 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Okay? Actually, the series is, how the series is it 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, next 64, 128, like this is going on. It is 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, like that is going on. Generally, it is nth term. n means, here we are given nth term only, nth term. Okay, na? That is 2 power n. Okay, so the first 5 elements or first 5 terms are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Here it is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. You see, denominator is 1 more than the numerator, all this. Okay, like that you have to find it. Okay, just pass. Okay then. Next, fourth problem. Fourth problem is given sequence is an is equal to 2n minus 3 by 6. Then n is equal to 1 implies a1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 by 6. That is 2 minus 3 by 6 means it is minus 1 by 6. When n is equal to 2, a2 is 2 into 2 minus 3 by 6. It is 4 minus 3 by 6 is 1 by 6. n is equal to 3. a3 is 2 into 3 minus 3 by 6. That is 6 minus 3 by 6. That is 3 by 6. Maybe 1 by 2. But you write 3 by 6. And n is equal to 4, it is a4. 2 into 4 minus 3 by 6. That is 8 minus 3 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. The denominator is 6. Okay, now it is minus 1, 1, 3, 5, like that. n is equal to 5 implies a5 is 2 into 5 minus 3 by 6. This is 10 minus 3 by 6, 7 by 6. So here it is 5 terms of the fourth problem, fourth series or sequences. Okay, Nana? You have to write again. 1 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 6. This is 3 by 6, 5 by 6, 7 by 6. Like that, we have to write it. Okay, na? Right. Now, the fifth problem. What is the fifth problem? n is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1. Here n is there. n minus 1 into 5 power n. That is the given series. n is equal to 1 implies a1 is equal to minus 1 power 1 minus 1 5 power 1 plus 1. This is minus 1 power 0 5 square. Any number with the index 0 is 1 only. A power 0 is 1 only. D power 0 is 1 only. 100 power 0 is 1 only. So any number with index 0 is 1. 1 into 5 square is 25. N is equal to 2. A2 is minus 1 power 2 minus, substitute N is 2. 2 minus 1 into 5 power 2 plus 1. This is minus 1 power 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. It is 5 cube. Minus 1 power 1 is minus 5 cube is 125. So it is minus 125. N is equal to 3 na. A3 is minus 1 power 3 minus 1. 5 power 3 plus 1. Okay na? In the place of N we are substituting 3. It is minus 1 square. The 5 power 4. Minus 1 square is minus into minus. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 only. 1 is there. 5 power 4 is 625. Okay na? It is 625. Similarly, N is equal to 4. A4 is minus 1 power 4 minus 1. It is 4 plus 1. Okay na? It is minus 1 cube. It is 5 power 5. Okay na? Minus cube. Minus 1 cube. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. We get minus 1. It is minus 5 power 4. 5 power 5 means 5 power 4 into 5. It is 625 into 5. That is 5 5 is 25. 5 to 10 2. 5 30 32. 31. Okay na? Is it clear? Arithmetic. Okay na? So it is minus 3125. When n is equal to 5, it is A5. Minus 1 power, it is 5 minus 1. 5 power 5 plus 1. Okay na? 5 power 5 plus 1. You see there here only. We will calculate 6. It is 5 into 1. So it is 3125 into 5. 3125 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 2 na. 5 to 10 to 12. So it is 2 na. 5 1 is 5 6. 5 3 is 15. So it is we can get here is minus 1 power 4. It is how much? 15 6 2 5. So minus 1 power even number is there. You see that odd number is this minus. Even number is index plus. Again odd number minus. Again even number it is plus. But don't need to write. So it is simply 15 6 25. These are the numbers. Okay now? Now you see. Observe. And one more problem is there. I will solve it. Just observe. Observe. That is sixth problem. Sixth problem is given. What is given? The nth term. We may write it as the nth term. Nth term means Tn. That is An. Okay na? It is n of n square plus 5 by 4. Okay na? N into n square plus 5 by 4. So when n is equal to 1 implies A1, the 1 of 1 square plus 5, okay na, by 4. It is 6 by 4. We leave it out, 6 by 4. N is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 2 of 2 square plus 5 by 4. 2 into 2 square means 4, 4 plus 9 by 4. It is 18 by 4. Of course, it is 3 by 2, it is 9 by 2, like that also we can write it. Okay, we will write 3 by 2, it is 9 by 2. N is equal to 3, it is A3, it is 3 of, it is 3 square plus 5 by 4. Okay, now, here it is 3 into, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 5, 14, okay, now, by 4. 7 by 2, now, so it is 21 by 2. All denominators are by 2. It is N is equal to 4, A4 is equal to, it is 4 of 4 square plus 5 by 4. Okay, na? It is, you see, 4 cancels simply. Here it is 16 plus 5. It is 16 plus 5 means it is 21. Okay, na? 21 is there. We may write it as 21, it is 42 by 2. If you want to write by 2, okay, or otherwise simply you write it as 21. So N is equal to 5, the last one. It is 5 of, it is 5 square plus 5 by 4. 5 into 5 square is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 na? By 4. Okay, na? It is 15. 2 15s, 2 2s. 15 5s. Okay, na? It is 75 by 2. Okay, na? So, the first term is 3 by 2, 9 by 2, 21 by 2, 45 by 2, 75 by 2. These are the series. Is it clear? So, first 6 problems are solved. We are given in the nth term and we have to find the first 5 terms, or we may ask 6 terms or 3 terms, like that. Okay? Yes. Pass. Okay. You see that 6 problems is over. In that 1 to 6 problems we find first 5 terms. But here 7, 8, 9, 10 problems, you see, we have to find what is given there. A 17, A 24. I will write the solution. The 7th solution is, you see, An is equal to 4n minus 3. Na? This is given. It is a given nth term. So we have to find A17. That means N is equal to 17. It is 4 into 17 minus 3. 17 4s 68 minus 3. That is 65. Okay, na? Right. Again, A24. The 4 into 24 minus 3. 4 4 16 1 4 2s 8 1 96 minus 3. It is 93. Okay, then, like that. It's over. 8th problem. What is the 8th problem? You see, 8th problem given. What is it given? N is equal to n square by 2 power n. We have to find A7. A7 is 7 square by 2 power 7. 7 square is 49 by 2 power 7. You see then 2 power 7 means 2 power 5 into, 2 power 5 into 2 power 2, that is 2 square is, we know that 2 power 5 is 32 into 2 square is 4. Okay, na? It is 8, 128. First, F5 we have to learn it well. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 like this. So it is 128. The only one problem is asked. And I want to solve one more problem. Just wait. The one more problem I want to write it. 9th one. 9th one is N is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into n square. We have to find A7, I think. Just wait. Okay, now it is A9. It is A9. minus 1 power n minus 1 into n cube. It is n cube. And we have to find A9. See, here solution. It's a solution. Given, what is given? We have to mention. Nth term is n is minus 1 power n minus 1 n cube is there. I have to find A9. It is A9. A9 is n is equal to 9. Minus 1 power 9 minus 1. Is correct? And it is 9 cube. It is minus 1 power 9 minus 1. In the place of n, we substitute 9. So it is minus 1 power 8. It is 9 square into 9. You write it. Directly, if it is not possible, you write like that only. 9, 9 base is 7. 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus even number is there, index. So it is a plus only. It is a plus of, what is? It is 81 into 9. So 9, it is 70. So 729 is the answer for A9. Okay, na? Like that we have to find those problems. Okay, na? Yes. Okay, na? Bye. Thank you.